Anybody want to volunteer to share somebody's ideas, share your thoughts? Any big ahas, any big... Yeah, this is the audience participation part. Because I heard a whole bunch of really great things. You don't have to share your own, but you can share your friends too.
Donna was talking about not just the process, it's the process of how we get there, because we're on special education. And so, you know, our teachers seem to be very focused on just a goal, but what's the process and how are they going to incorporate that, apply that during that year and later on?
Very nice. Oh, Liz is volunteering somebody. Here goes Susan.
A lot of teachers like to jump to stage 3 because that's what they're good at and it's fun. And we said it's like you have to eat your vegetables and your grains first to get through stage 1 and 2, and then finally you get to the dessert, the fun part. So,
I love it. Metaphorically a meal. Yeah, except some of us do start with dessert. That's the problem, right? Anything else, you guys, other thoughts? Share it with the full group. We will put those, remember everybody's doing a little summary from each table in Edmodo, so you'll have those thoughts. We did want to take a look next at essential questions. So we've got some funkiness going on up here. But if you guys can take a look, we're on slide number 9. So if you have the presentation up on your computers, we'll take a look at those. On slide number 9 are the essential questions that we have for today. I think we had some discussion yesterday as we were planning about how essential some of these questions were, that they might need a little tweaking. I think as we're furthering our knowledge, you guys are going to start to see our growth in thinking through some of these things. So there are possibly a few of them that we might tweak, change, or remove nowadays. So take a look at those essential questions, which you guys can see, but I can't. And then the next slide shows our big ideas. So within stage 1, I kind of think of this as a funnel. It's the easiest way that I can make it make sense in my brain. And at the top of the funnel, at the widest part, we have our enduring understandings. Those are the big umbrella things, ideas. They're very global, cross-content. They are interdisciplinary. They're huge, right? Big global ones. Underneath that, we have our essential questions, which get to be a little bit more content-specific, right? Underneath those, we have our big ideas. Big ideas, anybody want to share what your understanding of big ideas are? A brave volunteer.
This is more audience participation?
Yeah, this is, yeah. Big ideas. Christy Cryer, oh, where we go, Noreen, thank you. You were going to get picked on, Christy. Noreen saved your behind.
I think big ideas are more aligned with the standards.
Good. Other thoughts? Big ideas. Liz.
I think of them as like curricular chunks. So as I'm looking at a semester worth or a year worth or a subject, a unit worth, what are my curricular chunks?
Chunks, good.
And they may go on for quite a while.
Thoughts, big ideas, what are they? Curricular chunks. You guys are both right. Big, like, big of the honor, maybe K-12 curriculum. Right? A little bit smaller. Okay, you're due for each understanding that you use for that unit. And then we have our big ideas, which are chunks, and they're very content specific. So, big ideas for today. You'll see on the top are standings for today. And then you see a Ziploc baggie. In this baggie, we have sets of papers. things. Each essential question, you're going to sort your big ideas. And then underneath. All right, guys, we'll set you loose and we will and help as needed.